Here's how to use MindTap in an open book assessment. When you launch into a given assessment within MindTap and start it, there are several different ways that you can utilize the features to help look for the answer. First, on the right-hand side, you'll note that there is a blue book, which is the full book app within MindTap. If you launch into that, you can navigate to the given chapter and look up the answer. Alternatively, you can use the search function in the upper right-hand corner and search for a given term. This will bring up not only glossary definitions, but also instances within the text where that word or phrasing can be found. You may want to reference your notes and highlights, which are in the Study Hub on the right-hand side. Here, in the Notes and Highlights section, you can see items that you've made a note or highlight on per chapter. The glossary can also be useful to look up words that you may not have a clear understanding on.